So we're back. I know everybody's upset. 1 minute we're in the middle of a recovery across the crypto market, and now we wake up and here we are bleeding again on the 17th of February 2022. But I'm sure everybody understands why. Okay, we got Mr. Putin over here telling everybody that he's bringing the troops. He's going to send some of the troops home, and then the rest of the world see he's still building up troops over there in the Ukraine. And as we discussed on this channel earlier, in times of war, in times of uncertainty, when people think there may be conflict, we always see a dip in the prices on the stock market. We see dips in the S&P 500. And of course, we're going to see the same thing in the crypto exchanges because they are inextricably linked due to the fact that there are now institutional investors investing in the crypto. So we also discussed in some of those videos that, it's going to be more exaggerated in the crypto markets. And the reason is because of the volatility that we see across the entire crypto space. That being said, there are still cryptos that posted some positive gains, even though they were small, but we can expect to see more of the same in the coming weeks until there is some kind of resolution, some kind of compromise, some kind of meeting of the minds. God forbid that there's any kind of conflict. We got to pray for peace, y'all. Okay, but at the same time, we're not going to let go of our coins. I'm not letting go of mine. Now, this is not investment advice, but I'm sure enough not going to give my coins up. I don't care what they do. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.